Today in this video, we will be discussing few MCQs which are generally asked in competitive exams like Judicial Services Examination from the subject of Civil Procedure Code. So if a question is that if a plaint is rejected on the grounds which are mentioned under Order 7, Rule 11 for non-payment of court fee, the remedy which is available to the aggrieved party is option number 1, he can file an appeal. Option number 2, he can go and file a revision. Option number 3, he can file a restoration petition in the same court. And option number 4 जो दिया है वो है all of the above. तो जो rejection of plaint है वो Order 7 Rule 11 में दिया है. Order 7 Rule 11 में जो grounds है उन grounds के ऊपर right at the inception the court can reject the plaint. And the effect of rejection of plaint is given under Order 7 Rule 13. So Order 7 Rule 13 कहता है कि अगर एक plaint reject हो गई है, parties are not precluded from filing a fresh suit. तो fresh suit is the remedy, but वो option में है ही नहीं. Option में दिया है या तो आप appeal file कर सकते हैं. हम appeal सिर्फ order जो कि appealable orders हैं या फिर जो decree, अगर एक court ने decree pass किया उससे appeal file कर सकते हैं. So it's a rejection order, but again this rejection order is not appealable. So यहाँ से तो आपकी अपील नहीं बनेगी. So option number 1 is ruled out. Option number 2, which says revision. So revision is under section 115 of the Civil Procedure Code. And revision में High Court जो है ना वो monitor की तरह act करता है. He is acting and he is seeing that all the subordinate courts are functioning under their jurisdiction and nobody is working ultra virus. And जो revision application है वो section 115 के अंदर हम High Court में file करते हैं that the court is not working within the jurisdiction. And also we file revision where there is no appeal. So the option of revision is also ruled out. So third option जो आता है वो आता है restoration petition का. That parties can file in the same court restoration petition. So here the question is from the non-payment of the court fee. कि अगर एक plaint reject हुई है on the ground that the parties have not been able to pay the court fee. There is deficiency in the court fee. Now this has to be interlinked with section 149 of CPC. Which says that the parties can make up for the deficiency of the court fee at any time before the passing of the judgment in the same court. So option number C would be the correct answer. For more informative videos like these, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is EJ Law Academy by Mrs. Kritika Singh. You can also be part of my Instagram community by clicking on the link which is shared on my Instagram page. Thank you.